How to get Dr. Sheets promo code available and the top 3 discount codes on the website here. For this, I will simply click on my Google Chrome and search for the best promo codes available for Dr. Sheets. And here, this is the genuine website. I'll simply click on one of the website here and let me just show you the steps that how you can find it. This is Deal Crop website, Deal Drop. And here you can see Dr. Said's coupon and promo codes 40% off June 24. Here, this is the first promo code, the second, three, fourth, and the fifth. So instead of three, I have showed you the five promo codes that are really available, working, and best for you. So here you can find promo codes. Please just remind the name of the website so you can find them too. And to get QR code, you have to click on the show coupon code option here. And yes, it will show you the code. You have to copy it and simply paste it to the payment checkout page on the Dr. Seats website. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more technical videos, reviews, updates, and many more like this.